Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to access file manager in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to home page and go to Samsung folder, click on it and click on my files here, and here you will have access to file manager, that is internal storage and other storage. Okay, if you have inserted pen drive through OTG, then that can also be accessed here. And here I am going to internal storage and I am going to different folder here. So here you can access internal storage, then internal storage, dual messenger, OneDrive, Google Drive, network storage, recycle bin. You can access many images here. So these are all the categories of the file manager, that is images. All images will be located here, and videos, all videos will be listed here. Then audio files, documents, download, etc. Everything will be available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily access to the file manager of your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.